Erectile dysfunction disorder affects millions of men, and those who suffer from the condition on a chronic level experience it the worst. While there are many underlying causes to erectile dysfunction, one of the most common is low testosterone levels. As you age, your testosterone decreases significantly, increasing your chance of having a limp erection in a poor sex life. To regain your manhood, you do not need medications or supplements. Instead, what you may want to try is a new and natural program called Juicing for Your Manhood. With this program, you can easily restore your sex life, your erection, and your manhood. This review provides you with everything you need to know about the program before you buy. What is Juicing for Your Manhood? Juicing for Your Manhood is a new program that helps you attain relief from erectile dysfunction disorder. The program combats a decrease in testosterone levels, which is one of the main causes of erectile dysfunction. As the program explains, rather than rely upon synthetic testosterone injections, supplements, and medications prescribed by your doctor, all you really need is one delicious juice cocktail per day. By adding a juicing routine into your lifestyle, you will be able to protect your body from low testosterone levels and bypass the most common signs of aging that are harming your masculinity and your health. Based on real experiences, there are many different kinds of programs on the market, but when you choose one, it is best to do so when you can be certain that the methods work. In this case, the program's performance is not only based on extensive research, but also on real experiences by the program's developer. The program's developer was depressed, not focused, had a poor sex life, and had even tried testosterone replacement therapy to improve his condition. When none of the remedies he tried worked, the author decided to develop his own program to combat the qualities that were destroying his virility. His research and trials led him to conclude that the following led to poor health: low testosterone, and subsequently an inability to develop an erection: acrylamide X, cytotoxins, parabens and phthalates, BPA, isoflavones, DDT and other organochlorides, dioxins and PCBs. To get these compounds out of his diet and to treat his health conditions, he decided to start juicing. As a result, this effective and powerful program was developed. Why choose Juicing for Your Manhood? There are many great qualities that make this program a worthwhile investment. For example, when you purchase this program, you'll learn a number of secret, delicious and blended drinks that you cannot find elsewhere. The beverages are designed to do the following: impress your significant other first. This program is a great addition to your lifestyle because it works to impress your partner. The program mentions that it will make that special woman in your life squeal with feminine delight. Not only will your special someone be impressed in the bedroom, but her satisfaction will increase your confidence levels and help you feel like a man again. A throbbing and pulsating manhood. Next, the formula also works to provide you with a large, throbbing, powerful, and pulsating manhood. You will be able to enjoy a more vivacious and energetic sex life now that your erection is standing to attention. Your erection will not only be stronger, but it will also be larger and wider in girth. Enlarged muscles. Third, a collateral benefit to this program is that it works to increase the size of your muscles, not only your erection, but also your body's regular muscles. The higher testosterone levels enable you to experience substantial muscle growth if you add a workout routine into your day. The larger muscles will give you a larger body size and they will make you feel manlier and more powerful. As you can tell, there are many strong reasons for choosing this program. You will be able to repair your body's most precious organ, and you will also be able to enhance your image not only in your own eyes, but to women as well. A stronger body and more energy. As mentioned earlier, this program features a number of powerful and potent juicing recipes that can take your health to the next level. Two of the most significant changes that you will experience are a more powerful body and higher energy levels. As the program mentions, its methods are designed to help you get rid of feminine fat deposits that cause unsightly man boobs. In terms of energy, you'll attain the willpower and stamina to tackle any professional and personal challenges that you are facing. The program's beverages give you the ability to keep going all day long and without any struggle. A step-by-step guide. You'll find that Juicing for Your Manhood is an easy and effective step-by-step guide that provides you with 17 delicious juicing recipes that increase your testosterone levels and prevent you from experiencing a limp erection ever again. The juicing recipes also work to prevent the main cause of low testosterone as well. In addition to the step-by-step guide, you'll find that the program includes the following: 7 essential juicing rules, exciting ways to eat raw food, 4 blender recommendations, suggestive images that promote testosterone production. Just to provide you with a bit of insight, a few of the main juicing recipes are Peruvian marching mix, the beet ginger man blast, and pomegranate potion. Where to buy? If you are interested in improving the size, strength, and power of your erection and improving your overall health, then you may want to consider Juicing for Your Manhood. To order the program, visit the brand's website today. Also, just in case you may not be satisfied, the program comes with an ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. Juicing for Your Manhood summary. Overall, this program is ideal for those who are having trouble developing an erection and feeling like a man. If you are interested in this program, simply visit the brand's website today and get started. The order process is simple, safe and secure.